all of the people outside of this call, because you guys are elite black belts, are not consistent. Not at all, not even close. Okay? And I'm asking you, I'm challenging you to look at your CRM, look at whatever system you're using and going, do I have a system in place? Do I know what I'm going to say when I follow up? Do I know when that follow-up is going to happen? Right? One of the things that we've invented at Easton University that I believe within the next 10 years is going to be commonplace in all sales is the concept of the sustainable pipeline. I am not about buy or die. I'm not about calling Nancy every single day until she gets a restraining order against me. I'm also not about calling Nancy once and going, well, deal's not going to happen, and then wasting a bunch of marketing's money burning through another inbound opportunity. I'm about being cool, calm, collected, following a checklist. I sent Nancy this. I'm going to follow back with her in 7 days. Then if I don't hear from her, I'm going to call her back in 2 weeks. Then I'm going to call her back in another 2 weeks. Okay? Now I've called her 3 times in the first month. Now I'm going to call her once a month for 3 months. And then after 90 days at this point, because now it's been 90 days plus 1 month, it's 120 days, she's going back in my sustainable pipeline. To which I'm going to call her in 6 months from that time saying, hey Nancy, I've got an idea that I want to get your opinion on. Or depending on the deal and my cadence, I'm going to ask Nancy if she's given up. Hey Nancy, call and see if you've given up on the sales coaching with Easton University, right? A Hail Mary last ditch. Be careful with those. Use those with caution, but they work.